Now Apache Tomcat is my server, and then next I don't use any framework, just to finish it. Okay. Now is my first page. I just remove this all. In first page, what are the thing I needed? This is all the page I needed in order list. Okay, order list. Here I just created that pages. The first page is what a user reg.jsp. I just change the name user reg.jsp page. So now I just go create it, right click new is a JSP page. So what is that? Caps means caps need to write it properly. So user reg. Okay, user reg. So this is my JSP page. Finish it. Now user registration is completed. So what are the field? I just bring it. Here I just open this form tag. Okay, open and closing form tag, and action I need to perform. So action is what? Action equal to where I need to go. Registration chk dot JSP page. So this page also I need it. So I just go for creating this one new JSP page. So that page name is called reg chk dot JSP. Okay, this also I finished. Now again come to this my user registration page. What are the field I wanted? Input type equal to what is that first one? Text, and then name equal to I just mentioned this S1. What is the name is S1. For your understanding purpose, I just mentioned this S1. Okay. So this is what user name. Okay. Username. And then next one is password. Password input type equal to password and the name equal to S2. Okay. Next one is what? Email ID. Okay. Email ID. That is input type equal to email and name equal to S3. And then submit button input type equal to submit and value equal to register. Okay, so all the thing I just completed. Now I just go for reg check.jsp. Okay, so this is for backend process. So backend process means compulsory I need for database. So I just go here, remove this all the line. I just directly go for this. This is for opening for JSP code and end with the JSP code. So this is for open and closing tag. This is for open and closing tag. Okay, inside this one, what I just used it. First one, I need to get the values. How to get the values? What are the name? S1, S2, S3. This value way, I just bring this. Whatever you type in the text box, I bring it. S1, S2, S3. Now here I just use it first string. What is that first one is? Name equal to request dot get parameter. What is the first name is? S1. S1 means what I value, I just bring it, name. Next one is what a password. I just taken this pass and then request dot get parameter. What is the second one is S2. Am I correct? No. S1, S2, S1, S2, S3. Okay. Next one is what a email string email equal to request dot get parameter of S3. Okay. So all the value I just bring it. Now I just go for checking what I need to do. So the user is already exist or not. The user is already exist or not. So already we did that program. So I'll just take the copy from there one. So try catch I take it. Okay, these all the code. User has already exist as well as water. If it is not there, no. So successfully login. After this, I just taken this code. So I just use it here. Okay. Now I just imported connection. And simply I just mention the star. Now the error is gone. So only one error. So what is that? Here is the name, password, and email. So name, password, and then email. Now I just to go for creating a database. For this are three columns: name, password, and email. Now I just go to root at localhost, create a database. Database name is this is for project one. I just mentioned this P1. In P1, I just create a table for registration purpose. What are the columns? The first one is what I just mentioned this ID. ID is what type? Integer type. And then primary key I set it as well as auto increment. Next one is what? Next one is name. Name is what? Text type. And next one is password. Password also text type. And next one is what? Email.
Email ID.
Email is also text. Now I am creating a table. I just mentioned this stud. Okay. Now successfully created. No needed. Okay. So this all the column is ready. Now I just go to this one. What are the thing I need to change it? Here is what is the name of this project? Sorry, database name P1,
P1.
and then table name is what? Stood. Here also stood, and here is that P1. Okay, and three values only. I just fill it. Now I just check it. Now I run this file. Okay, now it's open. No, so I just go for sign up. Now visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I just go for sign up. In a database already have two records is there. I just adding this value. Site and password and then b at the rate of gmail. b@gmail.com, and then I just register it. Successfully register. I go and check with my database. Now the data record is stored. Okay, again I just come back here, go back it. Again I just mention another name and password, and the same mail ID I just mention it. The user is already existed. Okay, now I just change to C and then password and register. Now in my database, how many records are there? How many records are there, ma? Totally 3 records are there. Okay. Okay, wow.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next one. I come to this page. User reg.j. So user is already exist means where I need to move. I just show this first time I just executing this one. User is already exist means if we show this message, okay, show the message and then where need to go.
Registration page, sir.
Registration page. Okay, so suppose that is a user is already exist means where need to go. No, so no need to print it here. Okay, here I just use it J option panel. So go to this one. User secure and source pack. So I taken this one. This two part I take it and paste over here. So what does that meaning here? Okay. Option pan dot show message dialog box. That I just mentioned. User already. Okay. Now that a J option pan, what is the message it shows? No. So user is already existed, and where I need to redirect it, response dot send redirect. What is the meaning of this one? Send response dot send redirect means where I need to go. No. Again go to the registration page. So I just mentioned here is what is the name we have mentioned it. What is our project? First page is user register.
Index
So
dot
user. So I just remove this one. I remove this one. User reg. User reg dot JSP page need to
yes.
move. Okay. Now here is that again same thing only. So I taken this part. I place it here. What message I given here? Successful registration. Successful registration, and then is redirect to login page. So now login page I need to create it. So right click new JSP page. So this is my login page. I just finish it. Then go to this one. Here I just mention this login dot JSP page. Okay. Now again we have go and check it. This one is properly is working or not. Okay. Now I just go to this index page. Now I just run it. Now it's coming. I just go for this sign up page. Here I just mention this. And then register. Is move to where you need to move. User registration.jsp to where login.jsp need to move. Okay. So it's keep on loading means that is a message is show on background. Okay. So just minimize this all. Now the successfully registration is there. Now it's just okay. Now automatically it's moved to which page? Login.jsp. Understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the same way, what I just check it, that the same ID I just use it. I just mentioned Raj and 123 that prabhu@gmail.com same already is there registration page. Sorry, that the database prabhu@gmail.com is there. Once I just register, the user already exists message is given here, and then OK means it's come to again user reg.jsp. Up to this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the way you just go for forwarding this page. Okay. So what is the forward messages? What response dot? What is that one? Response dot send a redirect. Send a redirect to what page you want to forward it. That page you need to specify here. Which page you want to move it? That page you need to specify. That is a response dot send a redirect. This J option pan, what is the user that show in the dialog box? Okay. When showing in the dialog box, no, that is the way. Okay.